Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you how to attempt your online exam and what guidance you need to follow during online exam. First, as see your guidance this, you need to log in your school URL. Then enter your user ID and password. I enter one demo class. Then you need to go to menu academics online exam and select your exam. Menu academics online exam, then select exam. Here I already created a test exam. Then select this, then click on go button. After this, there is a one start exam. You need to click on this. Before this, you check your maximum timing for exam and passing percentage. I just click on start exam. After this, question paper is visible for me. As you see, timing already is running here, and then I select the answer of the questions like this. Check your question and give answer. Here I selected some wrong answer and some correct answer. Now I will show you what you need to follow during this exam. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. That will be must during your exam. In case poor internet, after click start exam and time is running, then if you get reload option, then do not reload your page. Starting exam will start your timing countdown. So in top here it is. Answering each page, use below next page option. Next page option is available here. For next page, do not click on next bar or previous page in mobile phone. Just click on this two for next page and one for previous page and previous and next button. Use only these buttons only. If you get here, please wait some time, eh, because this please wait is coming because of your internet connection. Like I click on 2 here, little bit time it will take. Here come is please wait and it will come to directly second page. Then select answers. I did not select 7 number question. Attempt your 7 number question right now and select all the question. In case of selecting wrong answer, you can change your option. If you think you need to review your answer, like page 1 I come, here I check, here I see where I selected wrong answer, then I change my answer also, like this. End your exam in time. You need to click on end exam before completing this time. After once you click on this end exam, one pop-up window will become like this. I click here. It is showing one unanswered question present. This section will be end the exam. If you click on OK, then exam will be end, and your one not attempt question will also submit with 0 marks. If you want to give answer of this question, then click on cancel button. Like it will come to 7 number question. I not attempt this question. Then I click on the answer. Then I click on end exam. Then it is come. Do you really want to submit? This pop-up will become. Do you really want to submit? Press on OK for end exam. Press cancel to return to same window of exam. I click on cancel for now and just review my answers. All are correct or not. Then after reviewing my answer, I click on the end exam. Press OK for end exam. I just click here. Click finish after end exam. This is click on finish button. Here one window is showing you have successfully completed the exam. This is your marks. Then click on finish option. After clicking on the finish button, view result to check your answer sheet. Here is the one option view result. You can see your answer sheet is available here. I just click here. This is the my exam today 28/6/2020. Result pass. If I want to see my answer sheet, then view answer sheet. Here I checked. For next option to next page. Here this is my wrong answer. I selected yes, but correct answer is no. So I got 0 marks. Like this you can see your answer sheet also. Now I will explain you don't follow point. Do not reload page. Reload will delete the question paper. I just log in with my mobile phone. Same page, menu, academics, online exam, select exam, go, start exam. Exam window is coming. Here one point. Do not reload and refresh your page. I just click here. You see the error message. Sorry, an error occur. Please contact to administration. That means your question paper is deleted automatically. Now you are not able to attempt your exam. So make sure do not reload your page. Second point, do not attend any call in between exam, because if you attend your call then internet connection will go down and your question paper not submit properly. Again I started exam. Next point, do not wait for end timing. This timing, do not wait for end timing. If you finish the exam, then just click end exam option to complete submission. Do not navigating using back button. Do not use this back button in mobile screen, or do not use this back button, this next button for next page or previous page. You just click is second for next page, and for first page click on 1 or click previous or next button. Do not use this button or this button in mobile phone especially. Don't use mobile phone back button to go next page. This one. Now last point for browser. Do not close directly from cross button in browser. This is the cross button. Do not click here. For finish exam, you need to only click on this end exam button, and if you want to review, then review. If you want to review any question paper, then click on cancel. If you don't want, then click on OK, and after this click on finish button. Use only these steps and follow these to attempt your exam successfully. Thank you.